today is time for a look change. I wasn't very sure about these rims, so take a look at it. So right now we look like this, right? These are the stock rims. All things considered, they look pretty good. I'm gonna attend to that dent over there. All things considered, it looks pretty good, right? Like they look nice, but I've got something better. I have I'm gonna hide this real quick. Those of you who know what these are from, but yeah, these are the ones going to the car now. Let me just get a different one so you guys can see how it is. I don't know how the car is gonna. Oh, there we go. Don't want them scratching anything. So I don't know how the car is gonna look, but I think this should look decent. Actually, let's go get this fitted, and then yeah, I'm excited. Anyways, the reason I'm changing, these are just temporary, right, is this rim, if you look at there, it's actually bent and the car vibrates when it's driving. I'm quite sure it's not, most of the vibration doesn't come from the driving, it comes from what's this thing called, the drive shafts. But I did get the drive shafts changed, repair the drive shaft center. So they're saying it's not that, it's the rim. So gonna fit new ones, non-buckled ones, and then we'll see how that's gonna be. Anyways, let's go. So we've arrived to my favorite Dunlop. It's the one in Strand. Best service here, like you are guaranteed the best service. I always come here every time I need something. Anyways, let's go. If you've ever wondered why these cars' exhausts are quiet, look at how big this muffler is and how tiny this exhaust is. Damn. Oh, one more thing I actually forgot to mention is I got these rims from Facebook Marketplace for like 2.5 or 3 grand. Some ridiculous amount. Like from the price, it was a red flag from the get-go. But when I got into the accident, 3 rims were actually damaged in total. There's the one that was broken completely, and then 2 were bent, right? So I want to test if at least the driving vibration is gonna change when I put the new rims I just got. So I couldn't use a spare because I would need like 2 spare wheels to kind of test if that makes a difference. So essentially I got these to test that. Actually, let's see how it is, because I think they've been resprayed and refurbished. It looks like it was actually sanded down. So let's check if they bother to do any repair work on them. Yeah, I'll do like a quick review on it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Think we should drop it next? What you guys think?